paano kapag mixed income. Similar din siya doon sa pagre-register ng sole proprietorship. And walang pinagkaiba, it's just that the tax type is mixed income. Kasi ibig sabihin, empleyado ka, tapos meron ka ring negosyo. So pagdating ng end of the year, dapat i-consolidate ng accountant mo yung income mo from employment and from the business para parehas silang naka-file properly. So, hindi po porket nag-submit si employer ng 2316 sa inyo ay filed ka na. No. Dahil mixed income ka na, you need to submit your 2316 to your accountant along with your business income if file niya yon consolidated.